Hey guys, it's Kristina here, and I thought I would film a quick tutorial on this more like pink, purple, like lavendery eye look. It's like a halo with a little smoky. So I've been really liking this look recently, and I thought I would film it for you guys so you guys can see how I do it. It's not that hard. It's pretty simple. I used one palette for this look. If you guys have the Morphe 35F palette, then you can create this look, or if you have something similar to the colors that I use. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that thumbs up button, and make sure to turn on post notifications, and make sure to follow me on all my social medias down below. And if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching.
Each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded
Robins on the inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all?
Alright, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you did, and subscribe and turn on post notifications down below, and make sure to follow me on all my social media, which are at the end of this video and down below as well, and I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!